Hi, welcome back to Learn to Pronounce and More Pronunciation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pronounce these three words. Shammy, chamois, the plural is chamois, and shampoo. The first word is shammy. It's a disyllabic noun, and the first syllable sha with a should be stressed, showcased by the big circle. We say shammy. Shammy. The second word is chamois. It's also a disyllabic word, chamois. The first syllable a, sha, should be stressed. We say chamois. They have got the same meaning. Shammy or chamois, a very soft leather, usually made from the skin of a specific goat. That's the meaning of shammy or chamois. The plural of chamois is chamois with z sound in the end. We say chamois, 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 shammy, chamois, chamois. The last word is shampoo. Shampoo is also a two-syllable word. It's a noun, and also it could be used as a verb. To shampoo is to use the shampoo, and the shampoo is the liquid soap for washing your hair. It has got two syllables, but here the second syllable, poo, should be stressed. We say shampoo. Poo, the second syllable should be stressed. We say shampoo, not shampoo. Shampoo. I repeat, shammy, chamois, chamois, shampoo, shampoo, chamois, chamois, shammy. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.